Tweetjie, how you doing, my buddy?
Hoe is het, Alex? Lekker en you, man.
Yo, no, lekker, bro. So, like, what you up to and stuff?
Yeah, bro, you caught me in the middle of a workout. Just doing my reps, you know.
Reps? Looks like you drinking tea, bro.
Exactly, me, bro.
Yo, don't get it, my cousin.
Bro, do you know Booker T?
Booker T? You mean like the wrestler, bro?
Yeah, bro, that guy's ripped. And the power is in his name, I say.
Yo, I'm pretty sure T is just the initial, bro. I don't think he got that way from drinking tea.
Bro, all the wrestlers' names came from somewhere, I say.
Yeah, suppose you have a point, buddy. Okay, so, like, what you gonna do after this, my bro?
Bro, it's obvious. After this, I'm eating the books, I say.
What? The book? Booker T.
Now you're getting it, bro.
No, that's it, bro. I'm done.
Bro, when I'm done here, you won't have words.
Seriously, bro. Just stop.
Don't leave now, it's gonna be a cliffhanger.
Dude.
Alright, man, you don't have to be so spineless.
Okay, bro. I'm out.